Mastering Google Workspace Shortcuts.
Unlock greater efficiency by learning keyboard shortcuts across Gmail, Google Docs, Sheets, and Drive. These simple combinations help you work faster, reducing reliance on the mouse and streamlining everyday tasks. Let's explore 10 essential shortcuts that will supercharge your productivity and make navigating Google Workspace smoother than ever.
Quick actions in Gmail.
In Gmail, press S to compose a new message instantly. Use S to archive conversations without leaving your inbox. To search your emails quickly, type / and start your search immediately. Mastering these shortcuts lets you keep your inbox organized and helps you respond to emails without missing a beat.
Boost efficiency in Google Docs.
In Google Docs, Ctrl+Shift+C opens the word count. Need headings? Press Ctrl+Alt+1 to apply heading 1. To insert a comment quickly, use Ctrl+Alt+M. These shortcuts make formatting and editing your documents much faster, allowing you to focus on your writing.
Streamline your workflow in Google Sheets.
For Google Sheets, quickly insert the current date by pressing Ctrl+semicolon. To select an entire column, use Ctrl+space. Press F2 to edit the active cell directly. These shortcuts eliminate repetitive actions, making data entry and analysis more efficient and less time-consuming.
Navigate Google Drive like a pro.
In Google Drive, press D to move items to the trash, or Z to move them to a different folder. Use Shift+T to create a new document, while Shift+S creates a new spreadsheet. Navigating Drive with these shortcuts saves valuable time when managing files and folders.
Work smarter with Google Workspace.
Integrating these 10 keyboard shortcuts into your daily routine can save minutes that quickly add up. From composing emails faster to managing files efficiently, these tips are designed to help you spend less time navigating and more time getting things done. Start practicing today and experience the productivity boost for yourself.